Hi guys. Hi guys. I had interviewed was a colleague of the work. His name is Ryan Osorio. Uh, in the first question, what did Ryan do in the last vacation? He told me on the last vacation he was on the island San Andres with his family. Uh, the second question, where Brian living in San Andres last vacation? Brian told me he that if he was living in San Andres and that is was a wonderful experience. It's a it's a very it's very interesting. Uh, uh, he went visit this place. Uh, question number three. What were Ryan doing last vacation? Ryan told me in his last vacation he was in the spite in San Andres with his family. And he told me that last vacation uh, was a wonderful experience. The next question, what were uh, what had you done before last vacation? He told me, Brian told me before the last vacation he has visited his girlfriend and he walked on the park with his girlfriend. The next question, uh, where had Brian gone before last vacation? Brian told me before the last vacation he was insured with his family. The next question, the next question, uh, had visit, had Brian visit this place before? Brian told me no, he hadn't. He had never visited this place, and he told me that this is uh, uh, was a experience, beautiful experience. The next question: had Ryan eaten chicken before your vacation? He told me he hadn't eat chicken before the vacation. He had take a show of beef and use or mango osyo. Hey, the report Brian in San Andres. He is a picture. He is Brian This is a picture, and his family, his family, and this is a photography in San Andres Isla, or Island San Andres. This is my interview that I had, was a college of the my work. Thank you guys for goodbye.